Let's go shopping. I'm going to 99 cents today and we are going to find amazing products. So today I saw some really beautiful makeup organizers and really good price and we better than iKea or if you can buy on Amazon, it's better than that definitely, and it's a good quality acrylic and it is a very decent price. And I saw this stackable drawers which I thought would be really good for my jewelry collection. So I bought 3 of them and let's have a closer look because it was all wrapped in the store so I couldn't see. So here's how it looks. It's clear, it's a good quality acrylic and it has the knobs. It has 2 knobs, but it is a single drawer, but it is divided, so it is perfect. And it doesn't come out all the way, so it is beautiful. And here I have organized my jewelry, and let's see how this looks in my closet. It is really useful because I can see all the jewelry in it and makes it easy for selecting. So it looks really good in my closet and I purchased for more. So it's really useful if you want to purchase them online. I have added a link in the description box, but you can go to your nearest 99-cent store and check them out. Products may vary from store to store. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.